The perfect place. Let's make this happen. I found a hidden island deep inside this forest, and what I'm about to build here will shock you. Stay till the end.
Keep them moving. Steady, boys. Watch your step there. We're almost to the island.
All right. That should hold fast. If this wooden mansion is looking beautiful so far, drop a like right now, because the best part is still coming. Real ones who watch this journey till the end, hit that subscribe button and become part of our adventure family. More amazing builds are coming next.